SMS marketing has one of the highest open rates of any channel, but it's also the most personal. Texts land directly on your customer's phone, and that access comes with real responsibility. Send too often and subscribers opt out. Send too rarely and you leave revenue on the table. Finding the right frequency is one of the most important decisions in your SMS strategy, and we'll show you how to get there. There's no single right answer, but industry benchmarks give you a starting point. Retail and e-commerce businesses typically send 2 to 6 texts per month, such as weekly promos, sale alerts, and seasonal pushes. Food and beverage businesses often text 1 to 2 times per week, with menu specials and order reminders. Health and wellness brands tend to stay at 2 to 4 texts per month, using appointment reminders and wellness tips. Service businesses and local shops do well at 2 to 3 texts per month for seasonal promos and updates. These are starting points, not rules. Your audience and content will shape what works for you. Before you set a frequency, understand the 2 types of SMS messages. Promotional messages, like sales announcements, product launches, and special offers, should be treated with restraint. A good target is 2 to 4 per month. These drive revenue, but they can feel pushy fast if you overdo it. Transactional messages are different. Order confirmations, shipping updates, appointment reminders, and password resets. Customers expect these. Send them whenever they're needed, no limit required. The key, quality over quantity on promos, and on demand for transactional. Beyond benchmarks, 4 factors shape your ideal frequency. 1. Audience expectations. Did you tell subscribers what to expect when they opted in? Setting that expectation upfront reduces complaints later. 2. Message type. Mixing value adds, promotions, and announcements prevents list fatigue better than a single format approach. 3. Seasonality and urgency. Customers forgive higher frequency during flash sales and holiday moments. Use those windows strategically. 4. Engagement metrics. Unsubscribe rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates tell you if your cadence is working. Let the data lead. Here are a few practices that consistently move the needle, give subscribers frequency options at opt-in, weekly versus monthly, for example. Control from day one keeps opt-outs low. Be thoughtful about timing. Avoid rush hour and late night. Adjust for time zones. Segment your list. Engaged subscribers can handle more messages. New or occasional buyers usually want fewer. Use automation to set frequency caps. No subscriber should receive more than a set number of texts in a given window, regardless of how many campaigns are running simultaneously. Finally, combine SMS with email and other channels. Don't duplicate content across them. Each channel should have its own lane. Watch for these signals that your frequency is too high, unsubscribe rates spiking beyond normal attrition, negative replies or direct complaints, declining open and click-through rates even without unsubscribes, and steady list fatigue, a slow erosion of engagement over weeks or months. Any of these means it's time to pull back and reevaluate. Start by looking at where your subscribers signed up. Someone who opted in at checkout has different expectations than someone who joined through a social ad. Dig into your past campaign data, open rates, opt-outs, and click-throughs. A/B test before rolling out a new cadence to your full list. Split a segment, run it for a few weeks, and let the results guide the decision. Then keep revisiting. Audiences evolve. What works in Q4 may not work in Q2. The goal isn't a fixed number of texts per month. It's the right message to the right person at the right time. For more SMS marketing guidance, visit Mailchimp.com.